In this video, I'm going to show you how to put an image in a table inside Notion. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Notion tables are great for organizing data, but adding images can make them even more useful. For example, tracking products, designs, or mood boards. You can add pictures directly in the table cells and they'll stay neatly aligned with your data. Now, in order to do this, head on over to Notion and then go to the page in Notion with your table, or you can go ahead and create a new one. So I've got a new page here. So to create a new table, I want to go ahead and click /gallery view, and then I'm going to click onto that. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and click onto add new, and then below the new page, it will say add a comment, but below that, we can click onto that and click type and then image. Then it will say image, click onto image. This is where we can upload a file, embed a link, use Unsplash or Giphy. But to upload, go ahead and click on upload file. Now choose image you'd like to upload, like so, and then you can see it's uploading into Notion. And now if I click out, you can see the image is in that table there. You can also paste an image directly into a files and media cell. Notion will upload it automatically as well.